When it comes to marketing, what does it take to reach the next level? 1. Brand differentiation. With all the noisy distractions in the marketplace, how can you ensure that your company stands out? The answer is to have a brand that is so memorable and offers such value that it grabs and holds the attention of your target audience, just like a freezing bucket of ice water to the face. 2. Top quality marketing materials. When it comes to landing new clients, image is everything. If you want your target market to think that you're the best, you'll need to look the part. Never settle for less than high quality and engaging marketing materials. 3. Client engagement and retention. In today's competitive world, it is essential to maintain strong relationships with clients by staying in touch regularly. Maximize your success with impactful marketing to stay top of mind. 4. Advertise your company with multimedia. If you want to dominate your market, you'll need to use a variety of marketing tools, including outstanding print materials and a website that converts leads. Communicate a consistent brand message across all marketing channels. 5. Maximizing return on investment. With all the marketing strategies out there, how can you get the most from your marketing budget? Our advice is trust experience. Hire a creative agency with a solid track record of success. If you're looking for a marketing partner that offers you memorable branding, top quality print materials and web design, expertise in client retention, decades of industry experience, and competitive rates that maximize your return on investment, then look no further. Daxio Design is ready to take your company's advertising game to the next level.